Sobrang init. Kailangan natin ng something cold. So, we went to Kamuning's Halo Halo Cafe and Restaurant. Diyan lang sa may K-First malapit sa Kamuning Road. Kasi sabi nila halo-halo nila, laging sold out. We ordered their bestseller Kamuning's Halo Halo Overload Jumbo para for sharing. Creamy milky shaved ice loaded with fresh melon, banana, and buko. Tapos may ube, leche flan, dulce de leche, ice cream, merong gulaman syempre, plus nata de coco and corn. Very loaded talaga. Ang gusto ko talaga dito, you can actually taste the melon juice mixing with the milk. Ay, para sa mga pagod na tita galing sa initan, ito yung hinahanap natin. Hindi siya overly sweet, refreshing, hindi nakakaumay. Kaya pala laging sold out. For sure, babalikan namin to. Final verdict, 8 out of 10.
Wow!
Tita approved.